Two-factor authentication, not working on TrueLayer Connect Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on TrueLayer Connect, you're not alone. Many users face this problem when linking bank accounts to financial or investment apps, but the fix is simpler than you might think. TrueLayer uses direct connections to your bank's authentication system, which means if two-factor codes fail, the issue often lies with your bank settings or your device's time synchronization. Start by checking your phone's clock. Open your settings, enable Set Automatically, and ensure your time zone is correct. Two-factor codes are time-based, so even a few seconds of drift can make them invalid. If you're using SIM's verification, check that your mobile number is active and that you're getting good signal. Try toggling airplane mode or switching to mobile data. Some networks delay automated verification messages, especially when you're on Wi-Fi or a VPN. Next, make sure your authenticator or banking app is fully updated. Outdated versions can break the secure handshake between TrueLayer and your bank servers. If you've changed phones or reset your device, you'll need to reauthorize your phone method. Tap Reauthorize Account or Can't Log In. In the app where TrueLayer is integrated, then follow the guided verification process. Here's something most people overlook: clear the cache in the app that uses TrueLayer. This can fix stored credential errors that stop authentication from working correctly. Once you've synced your time, updated your apps, and ensured your connection is stable, it will usually start working again immediately. So don't stress, TrueLayer's system is secure and designed to protect your banking data. With these quick fixes, you'll be back to linking accounts and managing your finances without a hitch.